Hello, dear beautiful people. We're back here for few minutes. You see to my computer screen, it is very beautiful logo for the Pepsi. You know the Pepsi is a cold drink in the world and the latest second most valuable soft drink company. So this is a logo. They promotes their logo or their identity by this logo. So I'm gonna try today exactly this kind of logo design. So don't far away. Please stay with me and you'll learn it just for the few minutes. Okay, let's try. So I'm gonna to keep here a little bit smaller. Just keep to the corner side. It takes just few minutes. How I tips you, just you see. So go to the first ellipse tool and I put this as center. Go to the center. You see, this is center. I'm gonna keep it here. I'm keeping here to the center. So now go to the here. Then just stir here. What can I do? I just go to the again this rectangle tool, not an ellipse tool. I keep here to the center. So just select that. Just okay. So I needed to change the color. I needed to watercolor. So put it this center. Arrange it to the center. Go to the horizontal align. Now sorry. Go to the here. Horizontal align center. And also go to the vertical align center. Is it is set up. So I needed to just a little bit here. But the like that. Right, good response. So select all the things. Now just select this one and go to the effect and verb. Go to the sorry, go to the verb and the black. Yes, you see. Dear Grace, it may show you the vertical, but you need to keep the horizontal and keep the review at 100%. So it will be magic. So this is magic, you see. How is possible? This is just a few minutes. I go to the here and select this one. That means what this tool. This is a shape builder tool. Up here and go to the color. And not the color. Just cut it this one. I needed to cut it. Color. Cut it this one and that one. Again, go to the color. The red color. This one. You see how is happening exactly like that. It's fantastic. So go to the here. You see how magic happens there. So right here you need to the typing tool. Go to the type. No, color is not exactly like that. We need to again go through the here. Back to the color. The color. This. Okay. So see how is exactly done. Fantastic. Fantastic. So go to the here and you see how is the file. Fantastic. So right now type 2 here go to here and just double click here, go to the cut all the things and right here Pepsi, type here Pepsi, yes, exactly, doing good. Go to the color picker, Adobe tools, and go here. Nice guys. And also again here, you just select this. Oh my god, how is possible? Some problems here. Again, I need here, just like that. Go Adobe tools and select this one. You see exactly. No more change. Fantastic. Good. You see exactly like that. No more text. Please subscribe and watch this video. Then you can promote like that and very nice logo design only. Thanks for watching.